Percent of a number. We can solve or determine the percent of a number by converting percent to fraction and converting percent to decimal. Example, what is 20% of 115? Our solution for letter A, converting percent to fraction, 20% convert to fraction is equal to 20 over 100 equals to 20 over 100. We eliminate 0 both numerator and denominator. Will be equal to 2 over 10. We simplify 2 over 10 by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 10 divided by 2 is 5. The result will be 1/5 multiplied to 115. 1/5 times 115 and 115 changed to fraction by writing 1 in the denominator of 115. Again, 1 over 5 multiplied to 115 over 1 is equal to 115 over 5. To divide 115 by 5, the answer is 23. Therefore, our answer is 23. Letter B, converting percent to decimal. 20% convert to decimal. First, we remove percent and we move to the two decimal places to the right. The answer is 0.2. Therefore, 0.2 times 115, it is equal to 23.